If you're having trouble getting the odor out of your gym clothes or just your clothes in general, this video is for you. The first reason your clothes may smell bad is you're using too much detergent. Excess detergent will leave a residue on your clothes, and that residue will trap oils, sweat, and bacteria, and that bacteria is what causes those odors. To fix that, never use more than 2 tablespoons of detergent. And if you have a high efficiency machine, use even less than that. The reason why is because these HE machines use less water, and so you have more detergent that's concentrated with less water to wash it away. So if your clothes feel waxy or stiff afterwards, you're overdosing. The second reason your clothes may smell bad is your washing machine is dirty. Your clothes can only be as clean as the machine that washes them. So if you open the lid and you smell and it stinks, you're marinating your laundry in funk. To fix this, you have to wash your machine sometimes. It's very simple. You just need baking soda and vinegar. First thing you're going to do is you're going to run a cycle with baking soda only. So pour 2 cups of baking soda into the drum and run it on its longest and hottest cycle. What the baking soda does is it serves as a mild abrasive to scrub and clean and deodorize at the same time. The next thing you're going to do is run a cycle of vinegar only. So fill up all of your trays, every tray you can find, fill up all your trays with the vinegar and run it on its longest and hottest cycle. The vinegar has bacteria-killing properties that will sanitize the machine and kill the stink at the source. And if you have a front-load washer, you're going to need to clean that rubber gasket as well. I have a video that goes into a little bit more detail about this. I'll leave that video listed and linked down below for you. The third reason your clothes stink is you're letting wet clothes sit in the washing machine after the cycle is over. This is basically a fast track to mildew. If wet clothes sit in this drum, then the bacteria starts to form. The fix is very simple. As soon as the washing machine is over, the wash cycle is over, move those clothes directly into your dryer and start the drying process. Also, if you forget and say you go to bed and you leave a load in the washing machine, in the morning when you wake up, re-wash that load and then move it directly to the dryer. Don't dry in the stink. And the fourth reason your clothes may have odors is the cold water is not killing the odors. Cold water is really good at saving colors, but cold water is really bad at breaking down and removing body oils and killing odor-causing bacteria. The fix is simple. When you're washing those really stinky items, your socks, your underwear, your gym clothes, your towels, just make sure you're washing those with hot water or warm water, because the cold water does a really bad job. The fifth reason your clothes may smell bad is you're using fabric softener or dryer sheets. Those items don't actually clean. What they do is leave a waxy coat on your clothes, which then locks in and traps odors over time. Here's the fix. Very simple. One word. Here's a secret. You ready? OdoBan. The way you use this stuff is you add about 1/4 cup to the fabric softener dispenser. OdoBan softens your clothes, eliminates static cling, and makes them smell really, really good without that buildup. This is why this works so well. The fabric softener dispenser releases during the rinse cycle, not the wash cycle. So the fabric softener dispenser and the detergent dispenser release at completely different times. Here's why this works. The detergent already did the cleaning during the wash cycle. It already loosened up the oils. Now the OdoBan goes in, neutralizes the odor molecules, kills the remaining bacteria without getting washed away by the soap. Now let's move on to the 6th reason why your clothes may stink. And it's because your clothes may be made of synthetic materials. So synthetic materials hold in stink a lot longer than natural fibers like cotton. Gym clothes and stuff are some of the worst offenders. It's because polyester is like a bacteria sponge. Here's the fix. When you're washing those gym clothes or an item that really, really smells, use an enzyme detergent, so an enzyme cleaner. What that is enzymes are like living organisms that eat the bacteria as food. Here is the best enzyme detergent on the market, hands down. It's the Persil Advanced Clean Oxy plus Odor Power. So make sure you're using that, you're putting that into your detergent dispenser. You're putting the OdoBan in the fabric softener dispenser. Now, if you have a bleach dispenser, I also recommend using OxiClean. So you're going to put your OxiClean in your bleach dispenser. Those three items, that combination is basically unstoppable. OxiClean is really good because it's safe on colors and it doesn't damage synthetic fibers. So once again, the winning combo: an enzyme detergent in your detergent dispenser, OdoBan in the fabric softener dispenser, and OxiClean in the bleach dispenser. Now if you don't have a bleach dispenser, just drop that OxiClean directly into the drum with the clothes. The seventh reason your clothes have odors and they smell bad is the dryer is not finishing the job. If clothes come out slightly damp, that moisture gives bacteria fuel to return. The fix is to make sure that you clean your lint trap. So get all the lint. Make sure that's completely empty when you start your drying process. Also, don't overload the dryer, and make sure your clothes are fully dry before you start folding them. It also helps the drying process to use the little dryer balls. So you have two options. You can use cotton, you can use the plastic ones. If you're allergic to the cotton, that's why they make the plastic. The way these work is the dryer balls create space between the fabrics, and that gives the heat room to circulate to dry your clothes faster and more effective, more thorough. And also they help, beat the clothes as well, and that kind of helps them dry faster as well. The eighth reason your clothes smell bad is you're covering up the odor rather than removing it. So let's be honest. Sprays, scent beads, fresh boosters, it's like putting cologne on a corpse. Bacteria equals odor. So if you're going to remove the odors, you're going to have to kill the bacteria. The ninth reason your clothes stink is you're overloading the washing machine. So if the clothes don't have room to move around, they don't come clean. When you overload the machine, the water can't circulate. The detergent doesn't get rinsed away, and so the bacteria remains locked and trapped in the fabric. To fix this, fill your drum no more than 3/4 of the way full. Make sure your clothes can tumble freely. If you can't fit your hand in the drum and move things around, you've overloaded it. So a little pro tip: for heavier items like jeans, hoodies, towels, wash them separate in their own smaller individual loads. So that's all I got for you. That is the video. That is the best way to remove odors from your clothes. If this video is going to save your reputation, then drop me a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more great content, and until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.